Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial on Java. Today's tutorial I'm going to talk about the iterators. So let's say you have a collection of objects. In order to move from one object to another, the process is called the iteration or iterating the collection. There are two methods or two processes that we are going to look into right now. Is that one is the iterator and the other one is the iterable. And both of these are used in order for iterating our collection. Again, iterating means moving from one object to another. Let's say you are at the top of the collection where you are dealing with the student 1, but if you would like to go to the student number 5, then you have to move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this process is called the iterating. If you look at the screen, you see that the Java iterator interface represents an object capable of iterating through a collection of Java objects and one object at a time. And then the standard Java collection interface collection contains a method called iterator, and by calling iterator you can obtain an iterator from the given collection. So let's say we have a collection, we have a list, okay, and we are going to learn about list in the next few tutorials. But let's say that our collection is now a list, and then we are using this iterator. This is just the reference, and we are invoking this method, iterator method. And then this is giving us two options, like whenever iterator has next, like if there is any object, and it is always going to give us a true or false. So if it is true, then give me that object. Okay, iterator.next. So this is how we are moving and we are retrieving objects one after another. And the next one is the iterable, and let's look into this. The iterable is a class that implements the Java iterable interface and can be iterated with the Java for each loop. Okay, so that means here you can see that we are using the for each loop, and the for each loop is integrated with this iterable interface. And then the Java list interface extends the collection interface, and the collection interface extends the iterable interface. A list object can be used with the for each loop. So let's say, because we are saying that this Java list interface extends the collection interface, okay, and the collection interface now extends the iterable interface, so that means this list object can be implemented, or the iteration can be implemented with the for each loop. So here we have just created a very simple list equals new array list, and we'll be getting to know about how to create the list in our later tutorial. But just remember that we have created a collection which is a list right now, and it has 3 strings, 1, 2 and 3, and remember that these strings can be considered as an object. Okay, so now what we're doing, we are using the for loop, and for object O is coming from the list, and this list we are talking about, and then we are printing the content of the list. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be learning again the iterator and iterable interfaces and the implementations, along with let's say the list. Like when we are going to learn the list, we'll again go through the iterable interface, that how to implement it. So that's all for today. Thank you.